To add a card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Once the Wallet app is open, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Next, select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. You will then be prompted to take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a photo, ensure the card is on a flat surface and well lit. The camera will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If you prefer to enter the details manually, tap the Enter Card Details Manually option and fill in the required information. This includes the card number, expiration date, security code, and cardholder name. Make sure to enter the details accurately to avoid any errors. After entering the card details, review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree to continue. Your bank or card issuer may require verification to ensure the card is being added by the authorized account holder. This may involve receiving a verification code via text message or phone call, which you will need to enter in the Wallet app. Once verified, your card will be added to Apple Pay and you can start using it to make payments. To make a payment, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases and in-app transactions. It is essential to note that not all banks and card issuers support Apple Pay, so you may need to check with your bank to see if they participate in the program. Additionally, you should always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily add a card to Apple Pay and start enjoying the convenience of contactless payments.